Your inner dialogue is the script that your reality must follow. Speak as if your desires are already fulfilled. Neville Goddard. The way you talk to yourself is the most crucial conversation you'll ever have. It is in these inner dialogues, the words and thoughts you entertain within your mind, that the blueprint of your life is created. Every thought, every word you silently speak to yourself is a command to your subconscious mind, and the subconscious mind, being the creative force behind your existence, will always say yes to what you believe and declare is true. Thus, understanding how to communicate with yourself is key to manifesting anything you desire in life. When you talk to yourself, you are not just thinking, you are engaging in a creative process. The words you choose, the emotions you infuse into them, and the beliefs you attach to them all play a role in shaping your reality. Your subconscious mind, which is the seat of all creation, does not distinguish between what is real and what is imagined. It takes everything you feed it as true and works tirelessly to bring it into your physical experience. Therefore, it is essential to speak to yourself with intention, clarity, and conviction. Begin by becoming aware of your inner dialogue. What do you say to yourself on a daily basis? Are your thoughts filled with doubt, fear, and limitation, or do they reflect confidence, love, and abundance? The first step in transforming your life is to change the conversation you have with yourself. Replace negative, self-defeating thoughts with positive, empowering ones. When you catch yourself thinking something that does not align with your desires, stop immediately and correct it. Speak to yourself as if you are the most powerful creator in the universe, because you are. One effective technique is to use affirmations. These are positive, present tense statements that declare what you want to be true in your life. For example, instead of saying, "I hope to be successful," say, "I am successful." The key is to speak these affirmations with conviction as if they are already true. Your subconscious mind does not respond to vague wishes or half-hearted statements. It responds to clear, bold declarations of truth. When you consistently affirm what you desire, you are programming your subconscious mind to bring it into your reality. But affirmations alone are not enough. They must be accompanied by the feeling of having already achieved your desire. Emotion is the driving force behind manifestation. When you speak to yourself, do so with the feeling of joy, gratitude, and excitement that you would have if your desire were already fulfilled. This emotional energy is what impresses your desire onto the subconscious mind and sets the creative process in motion. Visualization is another powerful tool in your self-talk arsenal. When you talk to yourself about your desires, visualize them as vividly as possible. See yourself living the life you want, experiencing the things you desire, and being the person you aspire to be. Engage all your senses in this visualization. See the colors, hear the sounds, feel the textures, and immerse yourself fully in the experience. The more real you can make it in your mind, the more powerfully it will manifest in your life. The words you speak to yourself should always be in alignment with your desires. Never allow doubt, fear, or negativity to enter your inner dialogue. If you find yourself struggling with these feelings, affirm to yourself that they have no power over you. Declare that you are in control of your mind and that you choose to focus only on thoughts that serve your highest good. Over time, as you consistently practice positive self-talk, you will notice a shift in your reality. Your external world will begin to reflect the new beliefs and attitudes you have cultivated within. It is also important to speak to yourself with love and compassion. Treat yourself as you would a dear friend or a cherished loved one. Be kind to yourself in your thoughts and forgive yourself for any perceived mistakes or shortcomings. The foundation of manifestation lies in the understanding that you are constantly creating your reality through your thoughts and beliefs. This truth often seems elusive because it operates subtly beneath the surface of our conscious awareness. And however, once you grasp this concept, you can harness its power intentionally to shape your life according to your desires. It is not enough to simply acknowledge this truth. You must live it, embody it, and make it the cornerstone of your daily existence. One of the most overlooked aspects of self-talk is the way we handle setbacks and challenges. When faced with obstacles, many people unconsciously fall back into patterns of doubt, fear, and negative self-talk. They begin to question their ability to manifest their desires and inadvertently affirm the very conditions they wish to change. This is a critical moment in the manifestation process, for it is precisely when things seem to be going wrong that your inner dialogue matters the most. In these moments, you must remain steadfast in your belief that you are the creator of your life. Speak to yourself with unwavering faith and certainty, regardless of external circumstances. Remind yourself that everything you experience is a reflection of your inner state and that you have the power to change it by changing your thoughts. Reaffirm your desires with even greater conviction, knowing that the universe is always responding to the energy you emit. It is through this persistent and positive self-talk that you navigate through challenges and continue to move toward your goals. Another powerful technique is to talk to yourself in the past tense, as if your desires have already been realized. For example, instead of saying, "I will have financial abundance," say, "I have achieved financial abundance." This subtle shift in language reinforces the idea that your desires are not something in the future, but are already present in your life. The subconscious mind, which does not distinguish between past, present, or future, will accept this as truth and work to bring it into your physical experience. It is also important to cultivate an attitude of gratitude in your self-talk. Gratitude is one of the most potent emotions for manifesting your desires, as it aligns you with the frequency of abundance and fulfillment. When you talk to yourself, express gratitude not just for what you have, but also for what you are in the process of receiving. Thank the universe for the manifestation of your desires, even if they have not yet appeared in your physical reality. This practice of preemptive gratitude sends a powerful signal to your subconscious mind that you are already living in a state of abundance, which accelerates the manifestation process. Self-talk is not just about affirmations and positive statements. It is also about asking the right questions. The questions you pose to yourself can direct your focus and influence the way you perceive your reality. Instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" ask, "What can I learn from this experience?" or "How can I use this situation to grow and move closer to my desires?" These kinds of questions shift your mindset from one of victimhood to one of empowerment, helping you to see challenges as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles. It is essential to be patient with yourself as you work to change your inner dialogue. Rewriting the script of your self-talk is not an overnight process. It requires consistent effort and practice. There will be moments when old patterns of negative thinking resurface, and that is okay. The key is to recognize these moments, gently correct them, and continue moving forward. Over time, as you persist in speaking to yourself in a way that aligns with your desires, you will notice a profound transformation in both your inner world and your external reality. Understand that you are a work in progress and that every thought, word, and action is part of your growth and evolution. When you talk to yourself with love, you raise your vibration and align yourself with the frequency of your desires. In addition to affirmations and visualization, consider using the technique of scripting. This involves writing down your desires as if they have already been fulfilled. In a journal or notebook, describe in detail the life you want to create. Write about your ideal day, your perfect relationship, your dream job, or anything else you wish to manifest. As you write, imagine that you are living this reality right now. Feel the emotions of joy, satisfaction, and gratitude as you describe your life in detail. This practice helps to solidify your desires in your subconscious mind and accelerates their manifestation. To manifest anything in life, it is essential to talk to yourself in a way that reflects your highest vision for your life. This means consistently choosing thoughts, words, and beliefs that align with your desires and rejecting anything that contradicts them. It also means speaking to yourself with the confidence and authority of a creator, knowing that your words have the power to shape your reality. In conclusion, the conversations you have with yourself are the most important ones you'll ever have. They determine the course of your life and the experiences you will have. By mastering the art of self-talk, you can create the life of your dreams and manifest anything you desire. Speak to yourself with intention, clarity, and conviction, and watch as your world transforms before your eyes. If this message resonates with you, I encourage you to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Your support helps to spread these powerful teachings and brings more light into the world. Remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel to receive more content that will empower you to manifest your desires. By doing so, you are affirming your commitment to creating the life you want. If you found this message valuable, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel. Each subscription helps to grow this platform and allows more people to benefit from these teachings. So if you believe in the power of these teachings, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Together, we can create a world where everyone realizes their potential as a creator and lives a life of abundance and joy.